Morning children, this is 6th standard maths, chapter 7, fractions. In the last class, we had studied about the fractions and we have solved few problems based on fractions. And today, let us continue the exercise 7.1 of the chapter fractions. We know that a fraction is a number representing part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. Based on this definition of a fraction, let us solve the fourth problem. The fourth problem is, what fraction of a day is 8 hours? We know that there are 24 hours in a day. Out of this 24 hours in a day, 8 hours is a part of 24 hours. Therefore, the fraction can be written as 8 by 24. Next question. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? We know that there are 60 minutes in an hour. Out of 60 minutes, 40 minutes is a part of 60 minutes. Therefore, the fraction can be written as 40 by 60. Next question. Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. Therefore, the total dresses equal to 30, which is written in the denominator. She has so far finished 20 dresses. Therefore, dresses dyed so far out of 30 is equal to 20. The question is, what fraction of dresses has she finished? In this problem, 20 divided by 30 will be a fraction of dresses she finished. On further simplification, the 0 of the numerator and 0 of the denominator get cancels. Therefore, the fraction of dresses that Kanchan had finished is equal to 2 by 3 will be the answer. Next question. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Natural numbers are counting numbers and they are denoted by the symbol n. The question is, we have to write the natural numbers from 2 to 12 and those numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, out of these natural numbers, we need to find out how many are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and the same number itself. Therefore, the prime numbers out of these natural numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. These are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and by the same number itself. Therefore, how to represent them as a fraction? First, count the total number of natural numbers. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, there are total 11 natural numbers. Out of 11 natural numbers, how many prime numbers we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we have 5 prime numbers which can be written in numerator and the whole part, the whole, that is 11, is written in the denominator. Therefore, the fraction will be equal to 5 divided by 11. Next question. What fraction of these circles have x in them? First, let us count how many circles are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, there are 8 circles present. Out of these 8 circles, the x circles are 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 is written in numerator. Therefore, the fraction of circles having x in them will be equal to 4 divided by 8 or 4 by 8. The next topic we are going to study in the chapter fractions is types of fractions. There are mainly 3 types of fractions, and those are proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So, proper fraction means in a proper fraction, numerator will always be lesser than the denominator. Example, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. Then, in improper fraction, numerator is bigger than the denominator. Example, 12 by 7, 18 by 5. Mixed fraction has a combination of a whole and a part. Example, 1 by 4. In this, 1 is a whole and 1 by 4 is a part. Whereas in the example, 2 and half or 2 1 by 2, 2 represents the whole and 1 by 2 or half represents a part. Exercise 7.2. The first question. Draw numbers and locate the points on them. You have learned how to show the whole numbers like 0, 1, 2 on a number line. Today, let us learn how to show the fractions on a number line. Therefore, the question is, draw number line and locate the following points on them. That is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. To draw a number line, we know that these numbers are greater than 0 and lesser than 1. So, these numbers should lie between 0 and 4. So that in the number line, that means since we have to show 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4, we divide the gap between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. To do this, draw a straight line and divide into 4 equal parts by taking each with 2 centimeter difference and name the points 0, 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. This is on further simplification. You get 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. And the next will be 3 by 4 and the last will be 4 by 4. On further simplification, 4 and 4 get cancels. The remaining value will be equal to 1. Second question, we have to show these numbers on the number line such that the fractions are 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. Again, these numbers are greater than 0 and lesser than 1. So it should lie between 0 and 1. Therefore, we divide the gap between 0 and 1 into 8 equal parts. Draw a straight line and mark each points with a 1 centimeter difference. And we know that in a number line, the first will be 0. In the next, we will represent 1 by 8. In the next, it is 2 by 8. Then 3 by 8. We are given in the question to plot 7 by 8. So this is 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, and this is 7 by 8, and this will be 1. Between 0 and 1, these fractions are present in the number line. Next, we shall solve how to express an improper fraction into mixed fraction. The method is, we can express an improper fraction as a mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by denominator to obtain the quotient and the remainder. Then the mixed fraction will be written as quotient remainder by divisor. The first question is 20 by 3. When we do the division, we know that 3 6s are 18 and the remainder we obtain will be equal to 2. In this, we know that 6 is a quotient, 2 is the remainder, and 3 is the divisor. Therefore, it can be written in the form of a mixed fraction, that is, quotient remainder by divisor as quotient is 6, the remainder is 2, and the divisor is 3. Therefore, 6 2 by 3 will be the final answer of this problem. Next is 11 by 5. So divide 11 by 5. Therefore, on doing the division, 5 2s are 10. The remainder will be equal to 1. Therefore, 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder by and 5 is the divisor. Therefore, it can be written a mixed fraction in the form of 2 1 by 5. Next problem is 17 by 7. Divide 17 by 7. When you do the division, 7 2s are 14. So that 7 minus 4, the remainder value will be equal to 3. Therefore, the quotient will be equal to 2 and the remainder value will be equal to 3 by and the divisor will be equal to 7. Therefore, the mixed fraction will be 2 3 by 7. Next question, how to express the mixed fraction into an improper fraction? To do it, we have whole into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. We know that in a mixed fraction, that is 7 3 by 4, 7 represents the whole and 3 by 4 is a part. Therefore 7 is a whole into denominator in 3 by 4. 4 is the denominator plus numerator is In 3 by 4, numerator will be equal to 3 divided by denominator, that is equal to 4. On further simplification, 7 into 4, that is 7 fours are 28 plus 3 divided by 4 equal to, on adding 28 plus 3, 28 plus 3, 28, 29, 30, 31. Therefore, 31 divided by 4. We know that in an improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. Therefore, the mixed fraction 7 3 by 4, when expressed in improper fraction, the value will be equal to 31 by 4. Next problem is 5 6 by 7. In this, 5 is the whole into, in 6 by 7, 7 is the denominator plus, and 6 will be the numerator. So 5 into 7 plus 6 divided by the denominator, that is equal to 7. On further simplification, 5 into 7, that is 5 sevens are 35 plus 6 divided by 7 equal to 35 plus 6. 35 plus 6, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 and 41. 41 by 7. Therefore, the answer 5 6 by 7, which is in a mixed fraction, when converted to an improper fraction, it will be equal to 41 divided by 7 or 41 by 7. Next problem is 2 5 by 6, in which 2 is a whole into, in 5 by 6, 6 is the denominator plus 5 is the numerator divided by 6 will be the denominator. It will be equal to 6 twos are 12 plus 5 divided by 6. That will be equal to, so 12 plus 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Therefore, 17 by 6 is the final answer.